Hey everybody, it's Shane McLaughlin, Platform Architect here at Salesforce, and this is the latest in the Process Builder Block series. This was one that was by request, and the question was, what do you wish Process Builder could do that it doesn't? And the answer was one I've never thought of, which was to take lead assignment rules and run them on demand. And so you can see the process is set up here. We've got lead, so anytime it's created or edited, and I put a really simple criteria here, but you can come up with whatever you want to say when you want your rules to get run. And then I have an Apex block that takes one thing, which is the ID of the lead that triggered the process, and then I've got a request to run the assignment rules again. And so then what this is going to look like on leads is here. And so if you're familiar with Salesforce leads, I'm going to pick Bertha Boxer. And if I hit edit on a lead, I can always check this box and cause those things to run. But that's kind of a pain and may not always happen. And so what we're doing here in Process Builder is we're saying that always will get run. And so I'm going to show you the rules that we have real quick. This is really simple. I've got me and I've got this other person that I use as a test user. So everything that's some flavor of the United States is going to be mine, and then I've got the other person covering rest of world. And so right now we've been USA, so I'm going to put my lead somewhere else and save it. All right, so then you can see that the lead assignment changed because my rule ran, and I didn't have to check the box. And then if I move this back, you'll see it's changed back. So very simple functionality, but that came up as a request in Process Builder. And then I'm going to open up the code and show you what that looks like as well. All right, this is our assignment rules, and it's just taking a list of record IDs. The one thing I'm checking before I do anything is that they actually are leads, because it is totally possible to use this builder block on any process that may not necessarily be based on the lead. So we do want to make sure that they are leads. And then I've got a feature call here, and I want to make sure. The first time I tried this, I had some fun recursion going. So it was just hitting back and forth between Process Builder and lead assignments in the future method. So I've got a check right here just to make sure that we're not future before I call my future method. And then the one thing that you will see sometimes is a bit of a delay. Both the times that this happened, it happened pretty fast. But I assume if your system is slightly busy, you may have to do a screen refresh to actually get that ownership change, because it is running in a asynchronous pattern here. And then I've never used this particular corner of Apex before, but we're actually setting the DML option. So even though we're not making any changes to the lead, we're just taking that list of IDs and grabbing them. You can say with this little guy right here, assignment rule header, to go ahead and run the rules, and we're going to pick the default rule. We actually could get even fancier, and I didn't, to have a second parameter, which is the rule set, and then you could actually have Process Builder specify which rule you want to run. But for now, we're just assume that the active rule that you have is the one that we want to use.